Karmachari Sangathan is a very, very important point. As a matter of today, we all even agitated for it. All India Insurance Employees Association, which is the oldest and the biggest trade union of the public sector insurance in this country, madam. I think my colleague Mawaji also spoke about it. The withdrawal of we demand the withdrawal of the GST on life and medical insurance premium, and the life insurance premium, which today is income. We had income tax relief on the 80C and the 80D. We don't want a reduction. We want withdrawal, because this is very, very important for the common man of this India. And I think Mawaji had extensively spoken, so I will not repeat that point. And on maturity, it has to be tax-free, which was done. I don't know why this government is taxing it. And even reintroduction of deduction of income tax on ATG when it comes to health insurance. So there's another suggestion, like LIC. I remember the public sector general insurance companies. There was a talk this government wanted to sell it, but now they're not talking about it, so I'm grateful to the government. But National Insurance, New India Assurance, Oriental Insurance and United India Insurance are all companies which are demanding a merger. So if they are all merged, they'll be far more effective. एक तरफ से आप इंश्योरेंस बढ़ाना चाहते हैं और दूसरी तरफ से आप उसको टैक्स करेंगे, ऐसा जीएसटी लगाएंगे, तो इंश्योरेंस कंपनी कैसे, गरीब आदमी को कैसे इंश्योरेंस मिलेगा? This is another contradiction of this government. So I request this government to consider this. My colleague